How to make mask to tighten your skin naturally fast. Get glowing skin with yogurt. The dream of every woman is to look younger always. For this, you need to have tight and toned skin first. But, all of you do not have the tight skin always. With the time, the elasticity or natural tightness of your skin is gone, and thus, you get aging skin. Aging skin takes off your youthful look, and this beauty issue puts women into trouble. How to make your skin tight back again. In the video below, I am going to share with you the recipe to make a mask to tighten your skin at home naturally fast. To make natural facial mask at home to treat looseness of your skin, and to make your skin naturally tight, here is the recipe. The ingredients you need for this. Ingredients: yogurt, 1 tbsp. Coconut powder, 1 tbsp. Coconut water, 1 tbsp. Procedure: take a clean bowl, and in it, add 1 tbsp of yogurt. After this, add 1 tbsp of coconut powder. Next, add 1 tbsp of coconut water. Mix all the ingredients. Now, you will get the best mask to tighten your skin ready for use. How to use: apply the mask to your skin, and let it sit for 20 to 25 minutes. Do not use soap for 2 hours. Use this remedy 2 times a week. Benefits you will get: coconut water has potassium and antioxidants. It helps to brighten up your complexion and slows down aging process. Yogurt has anti-aging properties. It cleanses your skin, and makes skin healthy, fair and shiny. The mask works fast, and also, it is 100% safe. So, if your skin is aging, and you have lost the natural tightness of your skin, do not worry. Make and use this mask to tighten your skin and have a younger looking skin.